Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start now. Cleanse gently and pat your face almost dry, leaving a hint of dampness. Dispense a pea-sized amount of GA6 cream. That's enough for the whole face. Using clean fingertips, warm the cream between fingers so it spreads evenly. Begin with cheeks, then forehead, nose, and chin using light upward strokes. Make sure to avoid eyelids and lips. Once done, allow product to absorb for 1 to 2 minutes before layering any other treatments. Once the cream is on, smooth it evenly without rubbing hard. You want a thin, breathable layer. Wait 3 to 5 minutes so the formula penetrates and you can assess any tingling. If you plan to use a serum, apply water-based serums first, let them absorb, then place GA6 cream on top. This controls strength and prevents irritation. Make sure to keep movements gentle. Overworking the skin increases sensitivity. If you feel excessive stinging, blot lightly and postpone additional products until calm. Finish by sealing skin with a gentle moisturizer if needed, and very importantly, apply broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher every morning. Glycolic increases sun sensitivity. At night, you can layer a richer cream to restore barrier function. If you notice persistent redness, burning, swelling, or blistering, stop using GA6 cream immediately and rinse with cool water. Then contact a dermatologist. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.